Hi guys, good morning from China. I'm Karen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you another testing center. It's located right in the crystal market, and I brought a few gemstone crystal strands to test. And we have fake aquamarine, fake agate, and fake morganite, and I included one natural aquamarine strand, and I will bring all of them to do the testing. That's the testing center I'm referring to, and this is a state level testing center. It's different from the one that I went to a few days ago. That one is a national level. The equipment there is more advanced and the testing cost is higher. 你好，做检测。So this aquamarine is real, and two so-called morganite. Okay, I got the receipt, and I will get the result around 2 p.m. today. And that testing center is kind of tricky. That's why I don't usually come here to test. I usually go to the most authorized testing center that I went to a few days ago, which I showed you. And because a few years ago I brought 4 fake amber jewelry pieces to this testing center, and they refused to test because it's right located at the crystal market, and they are scared that if they test those fake ambers for me, they will get in trouble because they have connections within this crystal market. Even though I told them the fake amber is not from this market, it's from, I remember it's from Nepal. Yeah, 4 fake amber from Nepal. And so at the end, I brought them to the national level testing center. I'm now picking the rose quartz bracelet for a sister, and she's in Philippines. The left one is from Mozambique and the right one is from Madagascar. You see the big difference? Mozambique rose quartz is more toward the clarity, but it's still pink. It's just, if you put them together, you really cannot see any pink in Mozambique. And the Madagascar rose quartz is more toward nice pink color. I mean really pink. But this one is a better quality, so the color is better. Here I am. That's the blue cert sample.
因為個垂染色佢即係個標上面唔使寫，唔使可以唔明個標出嚟，所以我哋就通常冇標，佢係屬於一種優化。
玉水係優化，你意思係？
即係佢染色係屬於優化，所以可以唔寫上去，但係處理嗰啲我哋會寫上去。
好啊好啊，唔該你。你这么多货，怎么不做网店呢？
没有时间，
有这么忙吗？
时间太少了。对呀、店铺里面品种多嘛，每种打理下来就时间不够。
些彩的。
更多彩的可能是家里
可
面
能都没
有彩的，可能在家里面的箱子找。
还像这里面还有，那里面好像还有，那应该有吧？
这一方面有很多彩的，但是这里没看见，不多了，这里不多，我看一下另外。
那天有很多的呀。
对啊，我看另外一包。